And what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Jeffrey. We do videos on my 2017 Ford Focus RS alongside the 2001 Mazda Miata and the Hyundai Veloster N. And yeah, we do a whole bunch of fun things and we have a good time. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit interesting today. I'm going to be installing the what are they? These are like these blacked out sequential LED like turn signals that you can put inside the actual mirrors. I will have, if I can find the link for it, I'll have it down below if you guys want to see what these things are. I believe this will work on the Focus RS along with the STs, and I believe also like normal SEs, the ones that I believe as long as they have this type of turn signal thing, it will fit for it. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that it does. So I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, consider subscribing. But let me show you guys what we're talking about. So if I could do this, these are the turn signals. They look like that. Just clear, normal, nothing special about them. I believe these other ones that I have, these should be the sequential and they're blacked out. So let's take a quick look at the ones I bought. All right, so looking at the packaging, these are, wow, this is like really bare minimum packaging. There's nothing in this at all, but that's fine. So they just come like that. Yeah, there's literally nothing else in there. Open this guy up. Let's just see. So yeah, just a blacked out turn signal. This should be cool. So let's see, how do we install this? So in order to even get this started, what you're gonna have to do is physically turn the actual window all the way to the side so you can get access to underneath it. There's some clips that we're gonna have to undo. So we have to get inside the car and then use the manual, like the things to turn the actual mirrors. So let me do that real quick. So there's two clips. What I did, I tilted this down and I tilted it a little bit over to this way. You can see inside of there, you guys, the camera's not focusing, but inside of it, if you actually, what you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. There's two clips. You have to reach it in there, push up on that, and push this back. This whole thing should come up. There's two of them, I believe. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Now that you have this exposed, to actually remove this piece, I believe you should pop this off with a flathead screwdriver. It's, yep, just like so. Pop that off. I think it's a clip. Yep, it's like one clip right in there. Okay. Whoop, there it is. Didn't like that sound, but there it is. It's just that clip. So it's being held on by this, but this is the actual bulb that's inside of this thing. So I believe you should be able to kind of wiggle this free. And there it is. So here goes the old one. It just came right off, just like that. So pretty simple. All right, now that you have your other one thing you're gonna realize, this piece right here, not exactly like these things have this. This is an actual bulb. So I believe this should, the actual light bulb should come out. This piece, literally grab it. I don't want to break the bulb, but there it is. You can see it's literally like that. So this is just a little amber bulb. I'm gonna put that away. So now that that's like that, you can just plug this bad boy right in there. Well, that's a tight snug fit. Oh, that's real snug in there. Hang on a minute. Let me make sure I can get this in here now. Yeah, that's kind of a tight, snug fit. So this piece goes over that little hook. And this goes in here like so. It's off right now, just make it a little bit easier to see what's going on here. And this is actually what I did save, which I'll leave down below. The other tutorial I saw someone else doing this. It's in there. It's not quite as snug as what I want. So I'm going to use some double-sided tape. I'm going to use it kind of thick just to kind of put it on the back side of this, just to make it a little bit more secure. Even though, I mean, this isn't going anywhere. I got to use some force to get this thing out of here. Well, let me just see actually. If I put this back on, I don't think it's going to get in the way. Yeah, because I think actually this piece goes over this. But screw it. While I'm here, I might as well just make sure. I don't want to have to undo everything and then, like, if it start rattling around. So I'm going to use some double-sided tape real quick and just use a little bit extra stuff to make sure this stays on super snug. Okay, this thing's on here really secure. That's not going anywhere. I just used some double-sided like Gorilla Tape. Just put a little bit extra in between just to make sure it has a real nice adhesive, like a real nice just stick. I think it should be fine. And I'm going to be just putting this back over. Now this should just, I believe this should just go back on. And there it goes. So yeah, actually I think it looks really good. Let's do a quick test actually while I'm standing right here. Let's see what it actually looks like. Can't quite tell. Let's do this. I just want to mention the dirt bikes, you can hear them. The dogs are just looking. When I did have the Jeep, like there's trails behind our house, but it's really meant for dirt bikes. It's not really meant for like big vehicles, so reason why I really didn't take the Jeep back down there too much. It was just, it's too narrow. But yeah, people are out there definitely getting some dirt bikes. I don't know. I kind of thinking about I want to get back into bikes. I don't know. We'll see. But if I do, it'll definitely be a dual sport. I think that'd be really cool. But somebody's just getting it really quick.
Alright guys, so bad news. Looks like mine for some reason is not working. I'll show you guys real quick. This is the normal light bulb, right?
If you just put it up to this, you see it's working. Tried both of these light bulbs. These things, they're just not. They're just not working. Looks like they're not working. Even with me trying, I've tried both sides. Switching it, turning it, rotating it, putting it in here, like trying to see if I can make it work. Just doesn't seem like it's working. So this might be a bad batch. I'm trying to do a return on eBay. We'll see what happens. I think these were like 30 bucks. So we'll see. But I'm not gonna lie, I still do like the way this black looks. I'm almost wondering if I could just take out this LED strip that's in here and just put in the normal bulb. The only difference is this has a big enough outlet for this to go in there, and this one doesn't. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick the camera up for this one. So after a lot of just work. I was able to actually stuff the bulb in there. I had to like literally like make a hole, but I mean, I think still it looks good. It just sucks that the sequential turn signal doesn't work. I had to use the original bulb. I had to literally, which I'm gonna do to this side because I don't know if this one's gonna work either. I literally had to take this out and take out the entire strip. That LED strip, it was this basically. These things are cheap. So I just had this entire thing. I took the whole thing out and drilled out this hole big enough to put the bulb inside of it. It's not a perfect solution, but it is a solution. So I guess I'm not returning these. These were 30 bucks, so whatever, it is what it is. But at least I have a tinted, blacked out turn signal, which I think it looks really good. So we will do this real quick and we will keep moving. Alright guys, so we'll just show you what it looks like. So, it's basically like that. Wow, that's not really all that bright. That definitely isn't. Well, kind of a small fail, only because it's not super bright with just the normal bulb being in there. I think I'm gonna try to order another kit. I'm out of 30 bucks, but whatever, it's 30 bucks. I like the blacked out look. I think it looks cool. It's just that the actual light bulb that goes inside of it is not super bright without the actual LED strip that was in it. But for some reason mine just didn't work, so I don't know. I'm gonna look online and try to order another kit. I was gonna return that kit, but I just basically just ripped it out and just put like a bulb inside there. I think it looks okay. You can see it. I don't know, in the daylight it's not super bright. Maybe at night it'll be brighter, but I think actually though it does look nice though. It makes the it makes the focus looks pretty cool. So yeah, there's that. I did have both the cars out trying to do a quick photo shoot with them. I haven't really taken any pictures with them both together next to each other, but this is kind of what it looks like. I mean, you can see it only when you get kind of close. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here because it is hot outside and these dogs behind me, I think they're ready to go in. So if you like this video guys, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website geekswithcars.com and subscribe for more. We will see you guys in the next video with some more Velocirin, Ford Focus, or Miata content, or who knows what else we're going to be doing. But we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.